What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SoFi stock and also the overall market. And I'm telling you guys, we have amazing opportunities arriving at us right now. Early on in the pre-market, stocks were absolutely crashing. Still going off that negative news of last week with the Fed potentially cutting rates, slower. And also you're seeing, yields rise. Guys, this is absolutely amazing opportunity because we have massive catalysts coming our way. Of course, we got the CPI report on Wednesday, along with the bank earnings on Wednesday, guys. Four of the top 10 banks in the world are also reporting on Wednesday. And then we also have, Trump getting in on the 20th, and then, the SoFi earnings on the 27th. So just massive volatility, and volatility is what brings opportunity. And guys, what I've been doing the past couple of weeks is when SoFi's been going green, I haven't been touching it. And when SoFi goes deep red, I've been buying it. Okay. That is my, game plan right now. And it is working to an absolute T because right now the market is in extreme fear. The Fed has literally brought us to extreme fear, bringing us absolutely amazing opportunities because 2025 is going to be an incredible year because companies are going to continue to grow and have strong earnings. And SoFi, of course, for the first time in company history, is reporting full year profitability, guys. And I'm telling you right now, just going off of, other fintech multiples, SoFi has a, lower multiple on a simple price to sales multiple. And I believe, that multiple is going to continue to see expansion in 2025. And we are also potentially going to see revenue grow by 30% or more, an acceleration from 2024. So, guys, everything is looking beautiful right now. Clear skies are on the horizon. The market is just in a little bit of volatility because of those rates slowing down, specifically small caps. You're also seeing IWM, a correction of 13% from its peak just a couple of weeks ago. I just am so excited right now to bring you guys this video. Be sure to smash the like button. Be sure to drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And you guys can already see we got massive news to show you guys. Of course, you've seen insiders buying, but of course, we now have politicians buying. We're going to bring you that news real quick. Let's get into it. All right, guys, take a look at the fear and greed index. You can see that we are at 25 right now. We have creeped into extreme fear. Isn't it absolutely incredible how much the Federal Reserve can manipulate the markets just by one little word of, slower rate cuts? You see yields rising, guys. This is absolutely incredible. Greed over a year ago at 73, neutral 49 a month ago, fear 37 a week ago, and now we're in extreme fear, guys. 26, 25. This is absolutely amazing buying opportunities, and I've been, accumulating the SoFi stock, specifically long-term options. If you want my long-term options picks that I'm buying right now, exact averages that I'm buying in at, go ahead, subscribe to the Patreon, guys. You're going to get those exact buys as soon as I make them also. And I'm telling you right now, these are going to pay off huge. I'm looking for a 10x opportunity in the next, year or so. All right, guys, you can see I was up a little bit late last night, early on in the overnight trading. And you see I said SoFi is officially crashing. Shorts are in full control. Is this the end? Guys, I'm going to tell you exactly why I do these types of things. The big reason why is I'm trying to get eyeballs on the SoFi stock, okay? You can see this post on X got 80,000 views. Guys, I probably made, 50 cents off this post, okay? I don't make anything off Twitter, okay? I'm trying to get eyeballs in on this stock, and people that are short-term, day trading this stock, trying to flip it for pennies, I want them to sell. I want those people to exit faster. I want to create fear. If you are inside of the SoFi stock, you've been following the channel, guys, you've been doing your due diligence, and you know that this is going to be an amazing investment this year and, of course, the next couple of years after. So I'm a long-term investor. I'm trying to get eyeballs on this stock, and if you believe shorts are in full control, that's on you guys. But I'm telling you right now, guys, fundamentals will take over the stock pretty soon. I believe we're going to creep into the $20 level very, very quickly. So do your due diligence. Don't sell out on fear because that's exactly what these market makers and short sellers want to do in these pre-market tradings. And that's why I post this to get a lot of eyeballs. You can see we got 83 comments. Go look at the comments, guys. It's really, really funny. But I'm telling you right now, I'm a long-term investor on this stock. I do not care what the short sellers are doing. You can see short interest continues to plummet because these guys are getting squeezed slowly and slowly. And before you know it, guys, short sellers are going to be at like 3-4% short from where we were at a couple of years ago, 20% plus. I'm telling you right now, guys, everything is clearing up and we're looking pretty good. So the SoFi stock did hit like 1338 a little bit after I posted this. We were down 5.5% in the pre-markets. And guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, I was completely laughing when I saw this price action because I just knew we were gonna slingshot today, and that's why I was buying early on in the pre-market. Fast forward, you can see that's exactly what happened, guys. After I posted right around here at 1 a.m., we hit about 1330. Look at this, guys. We're already creeping up into the $14 level multiple times. Like 3 times we've already retested 14. And I'm telling you, once we get to those bank earnings, the banks are going to blow it out. We're going to go higher. Hopefully the CPI report, comes in solid. That's, up in the air still. I understand on Wednesday, but bank earnings could still push us higher. And then we got Trump coming in on the 20th, and of course, SoFi earnings. So a lot of volatility in the short term, but be prepared. But I just want you guys to know I've been buying, longer term dated calls, and I'm very confident that these are going to pay out huge. And guys, take a look at this. If you don't have confidence, I want you to know that, big insiders on SoFi, we're buying up this stock a month ago at the $16 level. Okay. So that's why I said don't get greedy. Insiders just loaded up in the 16s a month ago. This is a gift from the heavens in the 13s, all because Powell's big mouth. The win is coming in 14 days. So you can see insiders were buying, 500,000 in stock at 1634, 30,000 shares. And you can still see people continue to comment, hey, 5, 6, 7, 8, $10, $11. It's crazy, crazy how greedy people are getting. But guys, you can see what the whales are doing inside of SoFi. Insiders are buying, at the $16 level. So why not buy at the $13, $14 level? It makes no sense at all when people just keep getting greedy and want the stock to go lower. All right, guys, we got breaking news. The chair of the House Oversight and Accountability Committee just purchased 30,000 in SoFi and also 30,000 in BlackRock. This is on the Nancy Pelosi stock tracker. You can see this came in today, 390,000 worth of buys, 15,000 in sells, and SoFi inside of that 390,000 in buys was one of the largest purchases with BlackRock, guys. So this is absolutely awesome. This is who it is right here. This is James Comer, and he's buying up the SoFi stock right now. Why is he buying the SoFi stock? We don't know, but of course he likely knows something is heading our way. And I'm going to give you guys a couple things that I believe could be happening on the horizon. So I said, why are politicians buying SoFi right now? And a couple of things are crypto deregulation, of course. If SoFi can get back into crypto, that's going to be a massive catalyst. Pro fintech laws coming, less regulation on fintech. And then, of course, you have a legacy bank core migration. This is the big one. This is what I believe is going to get us to the AWS of fintech, a big hybrid multiple, get this stock ripping up to potentially $45 level where management hits their bonus compensation. Anthony Noto specifically $300 million. So you can see right now, people are just voting on pro fintech laws coming, but I think these are the 3 big reasons why this guy was potentially buying the SoFi stock. Don't think just because it's $30,000, he could not continue to buy. You also have Nancy Pelosi probably watching the stock right now, probably want to see full year profitability. He's likely going to get in it as well. So you just got a lot of, good things going on. Insiders buying inside of SoFi, politicians buying right now, guys. And right now, the SoFi stock's hovering around the $14 level heading into these banking earnings. Things are looking pretty solid right now. The more good news is, guys, you have the IWM small cap crashing 13 to 14% from its top just a couple of months ago, guys. Is this the end of small cap stocks with the Fed slowing it down rate cuts? That is why they are selling off. But of course, I do not believe that. I believe we are still going to get 1 or 2 rate cuts inside of 2025. This is the reason why you're seeing stocks like a SoFi, Robinhood, Affirm, Upstart, Lending Club, continue to go down. These companies are still not in some of those big indexes, and this is just buying opportunity if you believe in small to mid cap names and you're not just buying legacy top 10 mega caps. Okay, so you can see the IWM has been crashing. 13% correction, guys. That is pretty large, and that is another reason why I continue to buy the SoFi stock right now. And just like I said last week, we knew that there was going to be massive shakeouts today. They're just going after it right away, early on in the pre-market, because look at this week, guys, the 17th. You have 1 million open interest in calls and puts. Look at this, guys. This is the biggest open interest for the next 2 years, okay? This is the week they are trying to fry people, and that is exactly what they're doing on Monday. They may do a little bit of a shakeout Tuesday as well, but if we get some good news on Wednesday, we are finally going to flip to the green, and you're going to get out of that fear-greed index of extreme fear. So, guys, 560,000 calls, 500,000 in puts. This is why the market is really getting shaken up right now. You got that, crazy volatility with CPI coming in on Wednesday and bank earnings. And of course, Trump is coming in on the 20th. So guys, this is absolutely insane volatility. You need to be taking advantage. Follow the fundamentals. Don't get shaken out by short sellers and market makers, guys. This is where we want to be right now. This is accumulation before the big run up inside of 2025. I think we're going to clear $20 pretty soon, potentially by, February, March. And I'm very excited, guys. I got a fair value on the stock right around, $22 right now. And, that is likely going to go up a lot if we get EPS expansion. That is what we're betting on huge for 2025. And of course, we're going to grow faster than 2024. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoy doing these videos for you. Once again, be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. Once again, my name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day.